Hi everyone, Raushan this side, or basically in this particular video we are going to talk about how we can launch the campaign for D2C agency. Like my one of client is helping D2C brand to go from 1 lakh to 5 lakh and 10 lakh rupees monthly sale. Okay, so we are going to launch campaign for them to acquire the D2C brands. Okay, so let's do it practically step by step, and we'll discuss about that. Okay, so first of all I have to open the, so this is my ads manager. Here I already run ads for that particular clients. So I wanted to shift this particular campaign to another ad account. Okay, so for now I have to open another ad account. Before launching you need like some kind of the information for launching the campaign, so that I also show you. Let me open my campaign launch checklist that we use in our team. Okay, so you can see this kind of the checklist we are using in our team for launching the campaign. If anyone launching new campaign, so they have to fill this particular checklist, and then we are going to launch it ad campaign. Okay, so in this scenario I am not going to fill this, but for your idea I will share you this particular things ki what is the like process we are using to launch campaign. First of all we decided the date and time ki like which time we have to launch the campaign and at the what time we have to launch the campaign. Okay, so then after we decided the campaign name, what is the objective of that particular campaign. So our objective in this particular scenario, we are we need a leads, and for generating leads we are using instant form. Okay, budget type, what is the budget type we are using, like at CBO or ABO. So these all information we have to put. What is the daily budget or lifetime budget that we use, so we have to mention here. What is the ad set name, what is the conversion location, like where you want to bring the traffic, on the instant phone, on website, on Instagram, on like where you want to basically bring the traffic. Okay, what is your conversion goal. So these things I also show you where this is happening, like what you want. You want lots of impression, lots of landing page visitors, lots of leads, or you want conversion leads. Okay, so see, and then the every business wanted to conversion leads, so most time everyone using the conversion leads. Okay, which Facebook page you are using, you have to put it the here link or name. Which Instagram page you are using, which WhatsApp number you are using if you are bringing the people on WhatsApp. What location do you going to target, which type like what is your age range you are going to target for them, what is the gender, and then come to targeting, which particular keyword you are targeting for campaign. And then placement, mostly we are using run ads on Facebook and Instagram. And then what is your ad name, what is your ad creative type, like it is image or video. So in this scenario I am using video only. Okay, and what is your primary text, what is your headline, description, CTA. Or then end of the campaign we are also tracking the URL. So if you are using any kind of the landing page, then you can use this particular feature, so you can track like from which particular ad set and which particular ad you are getting the leads and customers. Okay, so for launching any kind of the campaign we are going to set up this particular process first of all. And like first of all we have to put it the information here, then we set up like each and everything, then we set up. And then anyone like who is set up the campaign, they have to check like everything is correct or not. Or then we are doing the final checkup with our like who is the senior, like if I am available I can, or otherwise who is the senior member who can check this particular thing. So these process we are using to launch the any kind of the campaign in our agency. I hope you got it. So let me show you. In this scenario I am not going to fill this particular things because these things I already in mind, so I am going to launch directly. Why we are using this particular checklist, because sometimes many people going to do mistakes, but if they are follow this particular proper checklist, they are not going to do the mistakes. I hope you got it. Okay, let me know if you need this particular checklist. I will send you to you. Okay, yeah, so let's do it practical. First of all I have to come on here and I have to run campaign on this particular ad. Okay, so for that I have to click on here create. So I need a like leads, so I click on leads because in this scenario I am using instant form. So I click on the leads, click on continue. So here I have to put it, the most of the time I put the date, so I remember ki like exactly on which date we are launching the campaign. Okay, so I just put it the name and then I put it the leads. Okay, and if I am launching the campaign, so I just put it the name. Okay, Raushan. And in this scenario I am going to launch the campaign budget, or our campaign budget is between I put it the 555 rupees. Okay, so I am using 555 rupees daily budget for this particular thing, and I don't do anything else. Okay, then I come on the ad set manager. Okay, so here I have to put it the again name. So in this scenario name we have put it, if we are targeting particular caption, so we are using that. Okay, so in this scenario I am using instant form, or we already selected the page. So this is our page, but I have to change the page because we are using this particular page. Okay, and then we have to set up the performance goal, maximum number of conversion. I told you earlier we are using. Okay, and then we are going to do what we can do. So just scroll down, and here we have to select the location. So location we are going to target only Mumbai people, because Mumbai is the best city for, like, there is a multiple D2C brand available, and I also going to target New Delhi. Like kindly overall we are targeting the metro cities. Okay, so I also took note of Bangalore. So these are enough, three cities, three metro cities. And if I am going to target, so I just put it the age group between, start from at least 26, because below 26 is not a decision maker, and up to 50 is enough. Okay, and I just I don't change any genders. Or in detail targeting, see there is a one features we are also getting in Facebook. Here I have to put it the about our business, and Facebook give me the some keywords. So I write down the D2C brand. Let's see, generate options. This is a new features in not every ad account this feature available, but in some ad account this feature you can get. So you can see these are some keywords we are getting. So you can see if we target this particular we got the some premium brands. Okay, so Louis Vuitton fashion brand, no. So basically we are going to target a mid level D2C brand. Okay, so brand marketing. Okay, so I have to cut this particulars. One, Louis Vuitton we are not going to target. We have to delete it. Diesel brand, I don't know what is this. Director marketing, employee branding, no. Product developer, no. Product business, lifestyle brand marketing, brand. So you have to also remember one thing, if you are going to launch a campaign budget, so in ad set just you have to put it max to max 4 keyword for targeting. Okay, if you put it the multiple keyword in ad set, your Facebook ad campaign is going to confuse. Okay, so put it 4 is max, like maximum keyword you can use 4 is enough. Okay, because you also know there is a 1 to 2 keyword is winner, all our keyword is not a winner. Okay, so I am going to delete some particular keyword. Let me do this. Brand marketing, direct marketing, digital marketing. Okay, so I just put it this particular things. Okay, so save audience, save. So you can see these are targeting we are using. So I just copy this particular things and put it in ad set name, so I remember this particular things. Okay, sorry, yeah, everything is okay. I come here and targeting is okay. So I come on here on placement, click on show more, or here I choose only 2 platforms, Facebook and Instagram. This is the placement. Okay, now I come on the ad set label, and we have to put it the name of the ad set. So in this scenario we are using I personally use, you can write whatever you want, but I write the whatever I creative I use. In this scenario I am using video. So
I just use, if we have a multiple video, so just we put it the video 1, video 2, video 3. If we use images, so I put it the image 1, image 2, image 3. I hope you got it, but whatever you want you can write. Okay, so we have already selected our Instagram, so just say and tick. I don't want to like repeated the same leads to everyone. Or also we are already make the instant form. If you wanted to see, I will also show you instant form. Okay, so this is our Meta Business Suite. Click on the all tools and then we open the instant form. So show you which kind of the question I am asking for qualify the D2C brands, and what process I am using. Okay, so I already generated 66 lists in this particular call booking. So I am okay, so now I am going to duplicate this particular instant form. We are using new ad account for running the campaign. Okay, so for that I don't need to create the from scratch, just I duplicate this particular thing. So how we have to do it? I have to click on create form, and then I have click on duplicate and existing, and then I have to select this one and click on next. Okay, so first of all we are getting the option of the name. So here I can put it the again, I can put the call booking campaign in March 2026. Okay, so this is the name I am going to change. Okay, it's done. We are not going to do anything, just click on the more volume and just come on the intro. Here I put it the struggling to scale your e-commerce store profitably. So we help e-commerce brand to doing 5 to 10 lakhs per month, fixed conversion, lake scale and ads profitably and increase repeat customers. So this is my headline or sub headline, you can see. And then let's come to questions. So which type of question I am asking? So I am not putting the lots of question in the instant form. I am asking only 2 questions. First, what is your website URL? You can see the preview here. And what is your currently month ad spend? So if we ask this question to any customer, we can understand like on which position that particular brand available. Okay, and then I click on here, first name, email, city. So these 4 question and 2 question we are asking, total 6 question we are asking. Okay, and then come on here like on the thank you button. So we also do one thing, we put it the call booking link here. If anyone fill the form and then they got the option, they can easily book the call. So I will also show you which type of the call booking link they are getting. So when they click on the call booking, they redirect to this particular page, and so after filling the form, anyone can come here and they can choose the date, they can choose the time, and they can simple book the call. So this additional feature we are using in instant form. I hope you got it what we are doing. So I just click on the publish. Okay, so our instant form is created. One thing also we are going to do, we are going to automate this particular instant form. Like for example, if any person fill the form and leads coming in instant form, we wanted to come directly leads in seats. So for that, what we have to do, we have to click on the CRM setup, and see one automation is already happening. So I am doing another things. We have to click on the new integration, and here I have to create a new spreadsheet, or I have to put it the name. So here I put it the name D2C brand all leads. Okay, and just I also put it my name so I can remember this. Click on create. I click on browse your Google spreadsheet, and here is my sheet that I created right now. I click on here, click on select, and then I click on next. So you can see here is my sheet name is pop up. So I click on here, I have to bring data on sheet 1, or here I have to choose the instant form. So this is my new instant form. I put it my name, and then I have to click on next, and here I have to send this particular data for test. Okay, so when you click on here, you got the some kind of the pop-up. So you don't need to like worry about this, just cut it. Sorry, I have to do it again. Click on new, click on the spreadsheet and just select the sheet, click on select, click on next. Here you have to select the sheet, here you have to select the form, instant form, then click on next and just click on the send test. Just leave it and click on the connect, and here you have to select the business ID. So in this scenario we are going to select this particular business ID and we are going to select the pixel. So data can go pixel also. Okay, click on next and here you have to click on send test data. Okay, so what Facebook do, Facebook send you first demo data. Okay, and then click on, we can also click on view and we can see, you can see there is some test data is coming. So we have to click on the update now, so we can see these things open, and another part we have to click on validate changes. So for that we are going to validate, like we can simple copy this particular word and we can also put here, paste. Okay, and then I click on validate changes, so it's going to work. Okay, validation successfully, lead status validate, click on completes. So your automation is completed. You can see if any leads come on this particular on instant form, so all leads coming in this particular sheets. Okay, so I just put it, I just copy this particular sheet and send to my clients. Okay, so it's this sheet is going to automate. If anyone leads come in the instant form, they are easily here that particular leads is showing. Okay, I hope you got it ki what I am talking about. Okay, let me see the ki where we are. Okay, so we have to refresh again for selecting the new instant form. I just refresh it once again. So this is my instant form, so I click on here and then I am going to here, instant form is done. So I don't need to like chat anywhere, I directly send to traffic on instant form. Okay, so click on video ads and here I select this particular video, click on next, and here I have put it the primary text. So primary text I am bring from past ad campaign. So I click on ads, come on here, I just copy this particular primary text. Okay, and here I put the call to action, book now. Yes, everything is done. Click on done. Yeah, I hope everything is done. Let me check once again. Date is correct, budget is correct. Yes, let me check the ad set. Instant form name is correct, maximum number of leads is correct, and then location is correct, age is correct, targeting is correct, everything is done. Okay, and now we are going to live. So in this scenario we are already using multiple ad creative, so we have the like one winner ad creative, that's why we are using only one. But if we are starting the campaign, we are using 2 to 3 ad at least, image or video. Okay, I hope you got it how you have to launch. Let me know if you have any question related to this. I click on publish and it's going to live in few minutes. So I hope you got it ki how you have to launch the campaign for D2C brand and which things you have to prepare. Okay, if you wanted to checklist, you have to write it the checklist in comment section, and if you wanted to help from our team member to launch your campaign and launch your manage your marketing, so we can help you there. You can simple
book your call with me and my team, and we help you there. Okay, I hope you like this video. Let me know your thoughts in comment, and we'll connect you again. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.